If you're someone who wants to start a side hustle in 2024 or start a small business in 2024, you need to watch this video because this video will reveal some secrets that can help you to start your business well or to grow your side hustle well in 2024. So let's get started. In Ghana here, if you're walking in town, you notice a lot of shops are closed down. And most of these shops, sometimes they operate for only 6 months, sometimes 7 months. Most of them operate in less than 1 year, then they close down. Well, if most people close down because maybe someone duped them or scammed them like I experienced before or something like that, I feel like there's nothing I can do about it. But if you're someone who is closing down because people are not coming to buy from you, then you have to stick to this video because it's going to really help you. Now, most of us, if we want to start our small business, the first thing we do is to go rent a container or rent a shop or something like that. Then we start our business from there. But one thing you must know is that anytime you have your business or a product located somewhere, you see, people who are passing by your area or people in your neighborhood are the ones that knows about your product. But there are a lot of people out there that need your product, but they are not getting it. You see, so anytime you have a product or you start a business or something like that, you need to have an online version of it. Because if you post that product on social media, it's not just going to be about people in your neighborhood that will be having a look at it. Someone from Eastern region can, buy from you or get to know about your product or what you do. Or even someone outside Ghana can buy your product or service. So anytime you want to start a business, try as much as possible to have an online presence. So on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, all the social media platforms are available. So try as much as possible to have an online presence. If not, if you want to be dependent, if you are a small business and you want to solely depend on, the customers around, but you are not yet grown in the business, very soon, or you are likely to close down, especially if your product is not doing well in your neighborhood. I'm not going to lie, it takes a lot of time to put like videos on social media or, put pictures on social media, especially to be posting on daily basis or weekly basis and all that. It takes a lot of time, but that is what is going to help you to make more sales. So how can you bring your business on social media? Guys, this is something you have to learn and do it correctly. But the basic thing I can tell you is to just create a TikTok account, create a Facebook account, create the popular social media platforms so that you can just be uploading your images and videos out there. Let's say you are running a boutique business, okay? You can actually create a space where after people buy your shader or something like that, they can take a picture over there with a nice, a nice background or something like that. Then you can now share this on your social media platforms and at the same time allow them to also use these images on their status and tag you there so that more people can get to know you on social media. So guys, basically using social media comes with a lot of advantages. TikTok like this, the algorithm is favoring a lot of people. So if you post videos on TikTok, like the videos go viral than like most social media platforms. Example, some of the videos that I posted on YouTube, like they just got small views, but if you check my TikTok account, for instance, these videos got like 10,000 views, 20,000 views and all that, because the TikTok algorithm is open for like everyone. So guys, if you are someone who wants to start, a small business, consider bringing the business online so that you can save yourself from, closing down. This can help you get more customers, guys. So guys, that's basically my personal idea for you. Let me know what you think if you have also been marketing on social media already, or if you are starting a small business from 2024 or something like that. Let me know what you think about this. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more finance videos. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.